Hi guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng quick and easy chicken tanglad recipe. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, ipound natin or pipit-pitin lang natin itong dalawang piraso ng tanglad. And then, we will set this aside. Dito naman sa ating pan, i-transfer natin itong 3 cups ng water. I-add natin itong half a cup ng tomato sauce. Add na rin natin itong 1 piece ng small onion slice, 2 pieces ng siling haba, at itong 2 pieces ng pounded lemongrass, half a tablespoon ng peppercorn, and salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Mix it well. And then tatakpan lang natin to and we will simmer this for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pwede na natin i-add itong roasted chicken. And again, we will simmer this for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pwede na natin i-add itong sili leaves or yung spinach. And we will simmer this for another minute. And pwede na natin itong i-turn off and ready to serve. And there you have it, our quick and easy chicken tanglad recipe, best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayo updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.